Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to today's video lesson. Dear students, I hope all of you are keeping well and staying safe. Dear students, please follow all the precautions that are required these days for the prevention of the spread of coronavirus. Okay, now the cases are going down, and we must do our best so that the number of cases it remains stable. Okay, the cases should not increase, and it's our responsibility, it's our collective responsibility to ensure that. Okay, now dear students, one more thing. While you are in your homes, take care of your individual health as well. Okay, you must do some little exercises, do some yoga to stay fit as well, because staying fit is also very important. I think all of you have heard that in a healthy body resides a healthy mind. Okay, so I want a healthy mind, and for that you must do some effort and keep a healthy body. Okay, now my dear students, once again we'll be reading the very funny and the very interesting chapter, The Snake and the Mirror. I hope all of you are enjoying it. Yes, and let's quickly remember what we have read up to now. Okay, first of all, this chapter has been written by whom? The answer, you can speak it aloud. It is Waika Muhammad Bashir. So in this chapter, what's happening in the beginning? That there is a doctor who is narrating a tale about his encounter with a snake. Okay, because there was a discussion going on about snakes, and the doctor, he said that, oh, I will tell you about snakes now. Okay, dear students, then he starts telling about the beginning of his practice. Those were his early days, and he had very less money, so he had rented a room, and in that room there was a menace of rats. Okay, there were a lot of rats who used to trouble him, but the doctor was not focused on any of that. Okay, he was focused on himself. Okay, he was quite concerned about his appearance, about his own beauty. Why he was focused? Because he was unmarried and he was a doctor. Okay, so we also got to know that he had a desire to have a fat wife. Why he wanted a fat wife? So that she would be unable to catch him whenever there would be an argument. Okay, so in case there was an argument, he could easily run away from her. Okay, now my dear students, after that what happens? He while he was immersed in these thoughts. Okay, immersed means डूबा हुआ होना. Okay, जैसे वो इन thoughts में डूबा हुआ था. So then what came to his mind? What came to his mind? That, oh, I have heard a sound. Okay, he was immersed in his thought, and then he heard a dull thud. Okay, like a rubber tube, it has fallen. Okay, but what was there? It was a snake. Okay, what was it? It was a snake. Before he could do anything, the snake, it slid on the body of the doctor, and it started coiling itself around the arm of the doctor. Okay, it starts doing that, and the doctor, who he had earlier become of stone. Okay, but then he was so afraid, he became so afraid that Oh, now the snake is coiling itself, and it what it was doing, it was squeezing out the life from the arm of the doctor. Okay, it was squeezing out the life. Then suddenly the snake sees a mirror. Okay, the snake, it sees a mirror. Okay, and then what happens, that we are going to read. Okay, now all of you please open your main course book of literature, Beehive. Please open the chapter The Snake and the Mirror and come to page number 59, paragraph number 10. Okay, so I'll be starting, we have to start from para 10, but I'll be starting a few lines behind so that you remember what was happening. But it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. The snake was looking into the mirror. Was it admiring its own beauty? Was it trying to make an important decision about growing a mustache, or using eyeshadow and mascara, or wearing a vermilion spot on its forehead? So the writer, he was trying to guess what the snake was thinking of, what the snake was thinking about. Okay, whether it was about the, whether it was any beauty related question, and or was it any dressing up related question, what was it? Okay, that's what the writer was trying to guess about the snake. Okay, I did not know anything for certain. Certain means 100% sure. Okay, absolutely sure, without any doubt. Okay, if you are certain about anything, then it means you have no doubts about it. So, what sex was this snake? Was it male or female? Now he was also concerned about the gender. Okay, so many questions are coming to his mind. Earlier it was beauty, dressing up, then it was the question is now gender. Okay, because why he's thinking about these points? Because these points actually they turn into our actions. So whatever the snake is going to do next, it's quite dependent on its gender as well. Okay, nature has given us all a certain behavior, okay, that's imbibed in our genes. Okay, you might have heard that ladies, they are able to hear more than men. You know why and actually that's true. That has been proven scientifically as true. Why is that? Because since mothers, they take care of their child, so their sleep is very fragile. Okay, वो जल्दी से जाग जाती हैं. Why? Because they have to take care of the child, and because of years and years and thousands of years of this practice, this thing has come into the genes of women. So because of nature, we have a certain type of behavior in ourselves. Okay, I will never know. So what the snake was thinking, the writer, he has said that he is never going to know. For the snake unwound itself from my arm. So now what the snake has done, it has unwounded itself from the arm of the doctor. Okay, so it has unwound means uncoiled. जैसे वो coil में उसने सर्कल से आर्म वो प्रेस कर रहा था. ओके, उसने सर्कल ही सर्कल बना रखे थे अपनी बॉडी से, उसने वो छोड़ दिया, उसने रिमूव कर दिया. ओके, वो फिर से स्ट्रेट हो गया. And slowly slithered into my lap. So वो अब उसकी गोद में आ गया. Okay, it slowly slithered. Slithered means slid. वो स्लाइड होकर वो धीरे धीरे से उसकी गोद में आ गया. From there it crept onto the table and moved towards the mirror. क्रेप्ट करना क्या होता है? क्रेप्ट मीन्स क्रॉल, वो जैसे धीरे जो उसकी वो होता है, चलता है, वो सरकता है, ओके, घिसटते हुए वो सरकता है, दैट इज creeping. Okay, so then what the snake did? Earlier it was in the lab, now it is moving on the table. Okay, it is moving on to the table and towards the mirror. अब उसे मिरर की तरफ जाना है. क्यों? उसने अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देखा और अब उसके लिए ये रिफ्लेक्शन एक कंसर्न हो गया है. ओके, वो उसके बारे में जानना चाहता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई द स्नेक इट इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द mirror. Okay, perhaps it wanted to enjoy its reflection at close quarters. So even the writer is saying that yes, even the doctor is saying that yes, the snake, it wanted to enjoy its reflection. Okay, it wanted to enjoy its reflection. what reflection are we talking about? जो उसकी अपनी रिफ्लेक्शन थी, जो स्नेक का अपना जो उसका अपीयरेंस थी, वो उसे देख के एंजॉय करना चाहता था. ओके, फ्रॉम क्लोज क्वार्टर्स, सॉरी, एट क्लोज क्वार्टर. एट क्लोज क्वार्टर मीन्स करीब से, from quite near. Okay, not from afar, from quite close. Okay, from a distance which is very much nearby. Okay, which is very much close. I was no mere image cut in granite. Okay, so now what's happening? Now the snake, where is he? The snake is in front of the mirror, but now the doctor, he was not only a mere image in granite. सिर्फ पत्थर की बनी हुई इमेज नहीं था वो. ओके, सिर्फ पत्थर की बनी हुई इमेज नहीं था वो. ओके, ग्रेनाइट एक टाइप का रॉक होता है. ओके, एंड मियर मीन्स सिर्फ. ओके, तो वो सिर्फ एक पत्थर की बनी हुई इमेज नहीं था. I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood, right? हम सभी flesh means mass. So we are all made of flesh and blood, and suddenly the doctor, he also became of flesh and blood. Still holding my breath, I got up from the chair. Holding my breath means कि वो अपनी सांस रोक रखी थी. Why? Because he didn't want to make a sound. क्योंकि वो शोर नहीं मचाना चाहता था. वो चाहता था कि स्नेक को उसके सांस लेने की भी साउंड नहीं आए. ओके, so because of that, what he had done, he had even stopped taking breath. Okay, still holding my breath, I got up from the chair. Okay, so उसने अपनी सांस रोक रखी थी और वो चेयर से खड़ा हो गया. I quietly went out through the door into the veranda. So quietly, without making any noise. Okay, without making any noise, he went out through the door. Okay, so he went through the door and into the veranda. Okay, जो बाहर आंगन है उसमें. From there, I leapt into the yard and ran for all I was worth. Leapt means, so वहाँ उसने उस वरांडा में जाके, उस बरामदे में जाके उसने क्या किया? That he leapt into the yard, जो बाहर खुला हुआ एरिया था, जो आप कह सकते हैं कि एक ओपन स्पेस था. ओके, वहाँ पर वो कूदा. ओके, सो वहाँ से निकलकर and he ran for all I was worth. See, ran for all I was worth means ran with all his might and all his strength. जितनी उसमें strength थी, उसने वो सारी strength लगा दी. Why? Because उसे उस snake से दूर भागना था. Okay, उसे उस snake से दूर जाना था, वो नहीं चाहता था कि वो स्नेक के पास रहे बिल्कुल भी. Phew, each of us heaved a sigh of relief. So now we are back to the scene where the writer along with some other people, they are listening to the story of the doctor. Okay, अब scene transition हुआ है. Okay, तो अब ये सारे लोग रिलैक्स हो गए. इन्होंने एक बहुत ही सांस भरी, सबने एक सांस ली, बहुत ही चैन की सांस ली. Why? Because the doctor, he was safe now. All of us lit बीडीज. ओके, जैसे सिगरेट्स होती हैं उसकी तरह ही बीडीज भी होती हैं. उन्होंने वो बीडीज जलाई. Somebody asked, Doctor, is your wife very fat? So now the question, it has come back to the wife. Okay, and people, they want to know whether she is that person who's asking this question wants to know whether the wife is very fat. No, the doctor said, God willed otherwise. Willed means मर्जी, इच्छा. Okay, भगवान की मर्जी कुछ और थी. My life companion is a thin, reedy person with the gift of a sprinter. So the wife, she was thin, patli, reedy. Reedy means very thin, बहुत ही एक bone like structure, and she has the gift of a sprinter. Sprinter कौन होता है? धावक, जो रनर होता है. ओके, जो शॉर्ट रेसेस में बहुत फास्ट भागते हैं, they are sprinters. They are called sprinters. जो शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस में बहुत फास्ट भाग सकें, they are sprinters. ओके, सो उसकी वाइफ पतली भी है और उसके पास भागने का गिफ्ट भी है. सो इट मीन्स जो डॉक्टर है वो शायद बहुत ज्यादा पिटता होगा. इन केस इफ देयर इज एन आर्ग्यूमेंट, लेट्स सी व्हाट्स देयर इन द चैप्टर. Someone else asked, Doctor, when you ran, did the snake follow you? Now someone else is asking that did the snake follow you? Did the snake वो follow you means snake ने क्या तुम्हारे पीछे आया? Okay. The doctor replied, I ran and ran till I reached a friend's house. So he ran and ran without a break. Okay, up to the time till he reached a friend's house. Immediately I smeared oil all over myself and took a bath. Smeared means to apply. He applied all oil all over his body. Okay, it's a practice in South India that they take bath with oils or sometimes even mud. Okay, they have specific type of like fuller's earth, जिसे हम कहते हैं मुल्तानी मिट्टी. Okay, so that's quite common. Or sandalwood paste. These things are quite common in South India, and people who prefer an organic lifestyle, they use such things. So in earlier days, everybody used to take bath like this without soaps or body washes. Okay, just simply by using these oils and mud or whatever organic component they found fit. Okay, and took a bath. So he applied oil on his body and took a bath. I changed into fresh clothes. So now he has changed into fresh clothes. He has removed the other clothes, okay, the old clothes. The next morning at about 8:30, I took my friend and one or two others to my room to move my things from there. So he now, because he was scared, he took some friends along with him to go to his room and get his things back. But we found we had little to carry. So उन्हें क्या मिला वहां पे कि ज्यादा सामान नहीं था, बहुत थोड़ा सामान था कैरी करने के लिए. Why? Some thief had removed most of my things. Okay, so most of the things, most of his possessions, they were stolen. एक चोर उन्हें चुरा ले गया था, उसे रिमूव नहीं किया था, उसने मीन्स चुरा ले गया था. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट ही मीन्स. द रूम हैड बीन क्लीन्ड आउट. एकदम रूम जो था बिल्कुल साफ हो गया था. बट नॉट रियली. द थीफ हैड लेफ्ट बिहाइंड वन थिंग एज अ फाइनल इंसल्ट. सो जो थीफ था उसने सिर्फ एक चीज छोड़ी थी, और वो भी एज अ फाइनल इंसल्ट, एक इंसल्ट थी. ओके, सिर्फ एक ही चीज अगर रह जाती है जैसे, तो उसके पास वो इंसल्टिंग क्यों लगता है कि यू नो अगर आपके के पास 10 चीजें और 10 में से 9 कोई चुरा ले, ओके, देन व्हाट विल यू थिंक? ओके, ये एक भी क्यों छोड़ी, इसको भी ले जा, राइट? बॉयज का कभी बैटिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट होता है ग्राउंड में खेलते हुए. सो व्हाट यू गाइस से, लाइक, राइट, व्हाई आर यू गिविंग मी बैटिंग, यू आल्सो बैट, यू ओनली बैट, राइट? मैं खेलता ही नहीं. So sometimes this situation, it becomes like an insult. Okay, this is what is implied here. So what was that, I asked. The writer, he is asking. The doctor said, my vest, the dirty one. Okay, the inner clothing he was wearing, the dirty one. The fellow had such a sense of cleanliness. Okay, सो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा एक जो चोर था उसमें सेंस थी किस चीज़ की, क्लीनलीनेस की. ओके, एक उसको पता था कि क्या चीज़ क्लीन है क्या क्लीन नहीं है. ओके, कि जो भी वो चुराएगा वो सिर्फ क्लीन चीज़ चुराएगा. द रास्कल कुड हैव टेकन इट एंड यूज्ड इट आफ्टर वॉशिंग इट विद सोप एंड वाटर. सो अगेन वो एक वर्ड यूज कर रहा है. रास्कल इज लाइक यू नो a bad word for someone who is very shrewd and mean, जो बहुत ही मतलबी और सिर्फ सेल्फ सेंटर्ड हो, अपने बारे में सोचने वाला इंसान हो. So he is calling him that. Okay, and a rascal is not a word which you should use. It's not an appropriate word. Please avoid using it. So what he is saying that he could have taken it and used it after washing it with soap and water. उसे यूज कर सकता था धोने के बाद. ओके, डिड यू सी द स्नेक द नेक्स्ट डे डॉक्टर? नाउ द राइटर अगेन ही इज आस्किंग दैट डिड यू सी द स्नेक, डिड यू मीट द स्नेक? द डॉक्टर लाफ्ड, आई हैव नेवर सीन इट सिंस. मैंने उसे अब तक नहीं देखा है, तब से लेकर अब तक नहीं देखा है. इट वॉज अ स्नेक विच वॉज टेकन विद इट्स ओन ब्यूटी. सो वो एक सांप था जिसको अपनी ही ब्यूटी, इस लाइन का मीनिंग क्या है, टेकन विद इट्स ओन ब्यूटी, कि वो एक स्नेक था जिसे सिर्फ अपनी ही ब्यूटी में खो गया. ओके, इट वाज लॉस्ट एंड इमर्स्ड इन इट्स ओन ब्यूटी. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, this is our chapter for the day. Okay, now if anything is not clear to you, please comment and let me know, and I hope you have enjoyed today's video lesson. Okay, hit the like button so I get to know that you all have seen the video, and that's our lesson for today. Thank you.